1. Are online Quran reading classes suitable for beginners? Online Quran reading classes cater to students of all levels, including beginners. Qualified teachers provide personalized attention and guide students through foundational Quranic studies, ensuring a smooth and effective learning experience. 2. How do online Quran reading classes ensure the authenticity of teachings? Reputable online Quran reading classes prioritize the authenticity of teachings by employing qualified teachers who possess expertise in Quranic sciences. Additionally, they may follow established curriculums and methodologies approved by renowned Islamic institutions. 3. Can I interact with the teacher and ask questions during online classes? Yes, online Quran reading classes offer interactive features that allow students to engage with their teachers in real time. Students can ask questions, seek clarifications, and receive immediate feedback, ensuring a dynamic and interactive learning environment.